Okay, now we are going to continue with lists. I'm going to continue with the methods we use in order to add elements to lists. So add elements. How can we add elements? Well, we can do that by saying append. And then we specify the element. What does this mean? Let's say that I have a list of names. So name 1, name 2, and name 3. Okay, now let's say I want to add name 4. How would I do that? I want to do that in runtime, meaning I have a program running, and I want to add one more element. The way to do this is, let's say this is called L. I would say L dot append. Then I would say something like name 4. Now this name 4 will be appended to the end of my list. Okay? So I'm going to give you an example on what append means in some real application. Let's say that you have a shopping cart. Okay? And you want your user to be able to add to the shopping cart. So initially right now, we would have a shopping cart that is empty. All right, this is how we define an empty list. Okay, now let's say that you wanna let the user put the name of the item and it will be added automatically to the list. Now let's say that we want to append 3 items. All right, how would we do that? We would say item 1 or just item equals to input, please enter the name of the product. Okay, now let's say he entered here oranges. What happens is this oranges now is stored in item. Okay, now if we append item to this shopping cart, we would have oranges in our shopping cart. How would we do that? We would say shopping cart dot append. What do we want to append? Whatever the user gave to item. Now we have added whatever the user put here into item, and then this item went into the shopping cart using the append list method. Now let us repeat this multiple times. Let's say 3 times. 2, 3. All right, and finally I just want to print whatever I have in my shopping cart. So print your items are shopping cart. Okay, so we will print the whole list. Now if we hit on run, please enter the name of the first product. Let's say oranges. Now let's continue. What's the next one? Let's say that we bought milk. And finally, let's say that we bought almonds. And as you can see now, it says your items are oranges, milk, and almonds. This is how you create a list in Python, and you append to it.